long story short, this is your day 1. So anyways, yes, it is devastating. And yes, napakita ang aking katangahan. I am sorry. I'm sorry to myself. Gosh, na-edit ko pa naman yung day 1 and day 2. I think I started in day 3 as well. Pero, well, I can touch it now. As you can see, hindi ko na talaga mawakan. So there you have it. As for what the exam is today, it's anatomy and arts appreciation. So, hindi ito nakalagay yung questions. Wait, i-pause muna natin. Wait! Pero yung anatomy talaga, it's a long way from integumentary, skin, the brain, the nervous system, nervous system, and yeah. So I'll end the clip here in the house. You'll be seeing me in the school. Okay? So I'll be seeing you in school. Mag-get ready na ako kasi I think I'm getting late na. So I'll see you later, guys, and wish me luck. Boy. Kaya. So, yun nga. Kadating ko na sa school. Madaming ginagawa. Hindi kasi tuloy mo. Hello vlog. Hello sila.
Watch us mag-exam ng midterm.
Wag naman sana. So ito. Yun nga. Unfortunately, it's a very unlucky week for me. So I'm gonna try to still do better kahit ganito yung nangyayari. Although mahirap, and alam, narinig ba ako? Kasi yun nga, mahirap, and a lot of things happening. Ayoko naman na ganito. I mean, who would think, diba, na masira yung phone and then all of it deleted in just a day. Not really deleted, pero mawawala in just a day. So, ito. So, time check tayo. It's 2:43. Mag-study na ako. I'll see you guys later. So, pero mga talaga. And I'll answer the first question of who am I as a person later when the exam is done. Hindi po kami papasa. Opo, yun na yun. Hindi kami papasa. Ito, do you see that face? May mga mukhang hindi papasa. Ayan, nakalinya po kami. Except dito na mga grupo na to, papasa yan. Ewan ko.
Kasama ng friends.
Di ba?
Ikaw.
66 na ako. Oh, at least 66.
At least hindi pa sa
Okay. Pero yun na nga. Bawi tayo sa Arta. So...
Arta, minor lang naman eh.
Ha?
Hindi naman major yan eh.
Pero...
Okay lang kahit ibaksak mo yun.
Hindi pa magbabak subject ka nun kapag mabagsak ka nun. Ayoko.
Nakakaiyak mabaksak yung major.
No. Yung major. Yun lang ate, major natin, di ba? Ayoko na. So... Mababa ka? So, it's currently 4:12 rough figures. Kasi 4:11 kanina tumingin ako ng oras. 4:12 tata. Expectation. Huwag na natin isipid. For Arta, I will get to. Tama, mali. And mamaya ko na lang sasagutin yung question. Ay, ito nga pala. Good news is that may na-retrieve ako na file some videos of sa Google Drive sa first vlog ko. Unfortunately, I don't think nababagay siya sa so I'm going to do it all over again. So which means magiging day 1 pa rin. So any other than that, gagawa ko na iba, ayan. So wish mo na kung Arta. Madali lang naman. Thank you, sir Rodrigo, I love you. So mag-study muna ako. Good luck to me. Pero kasi nagpaset after the exam. Ano reaction? I'll come back when I'm done. So bye-bye for now, and I'll see you guys next. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon sa mga nanonood. I am currently at the house, and yon, natapos yung second day of examination, and I am exhausted. Kinakain ako ng kapaguran ko. So, here I will end day 1. Pero for that, I will ask the question, who am I as a person? Outside of school, I am a very outgoing person. Very unserious. Ang tawag dito? Maybe seryoso at times, and funny, as some would say. I'm a type of person na sumusuporta sa mga kaibigan. Grabe yung yun na nga, sumusuporta sa kaibigan. I'm the type of person na hindi nang dadaw ng tao if hindi rin ako pinapakitaan na na parang walang kwenta o ganon. Basta hindi ako inuunahan, hindi ko rin sila I will always support any decision a person or my friend, my family member makes. Kung ano gusto niya, yun ako. Down ako kung down siya. Yun ako na tao. Inside of school, I am mostly serious. Na nakikinig, or yun yung pinapakita ko. Pero nakikinig talaga ako. I am very ang tawag na to? Ayun. I am not much as a person. I'm just like any other person na my goal, my a motivation that keeps me going, and also courage and courage that drives me to become better every day. So yun. Although this is a very unlucky week, pero each day I think that I could be better. even though it's a very unlucky week for me, it's not gonna, I won't rather, I won't I won't let it hold me back just because na ayun nasira na ano or ano man yang nangyari this week. I will still keep moving forward and do better. So, yun na nga. That's all for who am I as a person. Although, madami pang mga, ang tawag na to? Mga words that I can express for myself na pwede ko pang masabi. Pero, I think I'm gonna leave it at that. So, this is where I end day 1. And I'll see you guys tomorrow in day 2. Goodbye.